Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to launch your Audi RS3. Launch control is a fantastic feature designed to give you the quickest possible acceleration from a complete stop. It manages engine RPM and clutch engagement perfectly, ensuring a powerful and consistent takeoff every time. We will cover the preparation, execution, and some helpful tips to master this exciting capability. Before engaging launch control, proper preparation is key for both performance and vehicle health. First, make sure your engine is fully warmed up. Aim for an oil temperature of at least 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, select the dynamic drive mode and put your transmission into S for sport. Finally, fully deactivate the electronic stabilization control by holding its button down for several seconds. Now for the exciting part, executing the launch. With the car stationary, firmly press and hold the brake pedal with your left foot. Simultaneously, fully depress the accelerator pedal to the floor with your right foot. The engine RPM will stabilize at an optimal level. Once ready, quickly release the brake pedal. The car will then launch with incredible force, delivering maximum acceleration. To maximize your launch control experience and ensure vehicle longevity, consider a few important tips. After a powerful launch, allow a few minutes for your drivetrain components to cool down before attempting another. Always practice in a safe, controlled environment, far from any public roads or obstacles. Remember, while exhilarating, frequent use can increase wear, so use it judiciously for optimal enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.